This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing power and verifying 0 volts at the service panel. Safety prevents shocks. Once power is secure, you must have the refrigerant recovered with a certified recovery machine. This is the only legal and safe way to remove a compressor without venting gas. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection and position a drip pan under the unit. Next, clear workspace and gather wrenches, ratchet, torque bits, and a strap to support the compressor before you unbolt anything. Once the refrigerant is recovered and lines are pressure-free, open the service panels and tag or photograph every electrical connection so reassembly is painless. You disconnect the capacitor leads and control wires carefully, then isolate the suction and discharge lines. Either unbolt the flanges or cut the lines if necessary, but keep ports capped to stop contamination. Make sure the compressor is supported with a strap while you remove its mounting bolts and vibration isolators, so it doesn't drop and damage. You lift the compressor straight up out of its bracket and place it on a padded surface. Avoid twisting that stresses lines or brackets. Once out, replace O-rings and immediately cap service ports to keep moisture and debris out. Transport the unit upright if manufacturer requires it. Finally, make sure a certified technician performs an evacuation, vacuum test, and proper recharge before power is restored. If the system won't hold vacuum, check flare fittings and replaced O-rings first. Leaks are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.